Hi, this is Samantha with POS Nation. Speaking with you today to tell a little bit more about our retail cloud-based solution. The cloud-based solution is ideal for a modern business owner because you can access it from anywhere, your phone, your tablet, your home computer. Also allows you to manage multi-site businesses very easily, control inventory between them, allow employees to work at multiple locations, and have your combined reporting. The solution is also just very feature-rich and easy to use, so we'll go in and show you a little bit more about our setup here. The normal retail setup would be the all-in-one touchscreen computer, a cash drawer, receipt printer, barcode scanner, and our keyboard. For businesses that are a little bit more mobile or need to move around the store, we have the tablet option as well. So from this screen, we'll go ahead and log in. I'll choose our manager employee. Each employee is going to have their own login, and with that you'll have personally set security features. You can do that with an employee ID code or with a swipe card. Once we're logged in, from this screen you're able to fulfill a transaction. We can start by scanning our POS Nation mug. Any item that you don't want to scan, we have our easy-to-use touchscreen. You can break this down by category, ideal for businesses that don't have a barcode on every item, perhaps a vapor store that has lots of small pieces. I'll choose our Bombay Sapphire Gin. And there's a great reminder for alcohol and tobacco sales to check the ID of your customer. Once that's completed, we can review our order, make any edits that may be price, discounts, or quantity. So let's go ahead and add a second coffee cup. Once that's completed, you can click Pay. From this screen, we can select our payment method. This software is EMV ready to take the new chip cards. We can select our quick keys for cash and close out the order. You have a receipt printed out with your custom logo, store information, and a barcode at the bottom. This barcode is useful for us to look the transaction back up for any returns or refunds. Once I've scanned that, the order will populate back on the screen. I can delete any items that I don't need to edit. And then we can return that coffee cup. Click our refund key, and we'll close it out to cash. Also from this home screen, we're able to access a few reports. Ideally, you'll be using this during your part of the day where you're closing out and closing the till. Go to our admin selection and close till. This report will generate some information that tells you about your sales for the day, the types of tender you collected, and then general sales. Got our breakdown of sales, sales by product, and sales by category. You can also see sales by employee to help you know who's driving your business. Also voids as a security feature. We can print this and have that information quickly to take away or pass on to a manager. Two additional features on our checkout screen is the ability to update your stock and manage customer programs. Under stock, you can edit that, receive stock, or even look up to see your current inventory levels to do things on the fly without having to jump to your back office. Under our customer section, we can track customer programs and promotions. Each customer will have their own information. You can even use their email addresses and phone numbers to stay in touch and generate sales. So now we can take a look at the back office side of the software where you can generate your reports. The nice part about the back office is that you can generate these reports and access this information from any device. So that may be your phone, tablet, laptop. The main screen of your back office will be your dashboard. You can customize this to show you information about your sales, but also information about your inventory. So we'll scroll through, see a few of these visual reports. You can keep track of your margins, your sales, transactions for the day, and even your low stock items. We can click directly into this report to go ahead and generate a PO and reorder these items. From this screen, we'll see exactly what those items are and can continue that process. We also have a variety of sales reports to help you see what's moving. You can sort that by employee, by the time, even by brand and category to help you in your analysis. Although the software is easy to use, we do offer 24/7 support. You can call or submit a ticket electronically directly through the software. One of my favorite features is the Guide Me feature. If you have a quick inquiry and need to know how to get to a portion of the software, that's where you'll go. Click on Guide Me, and then we can input a keyword term to help us find that procedure, and then it's going to guide us click by click to complete that. Thanks for tuning in to learn a little bit more about our cloud-based retail software. This software is again going to be ideal for busy business owners because you can access it from anywhere. Great for multi-location businesses because you can combine your reporting, transfer inventory, even share employees between the locations. Give us a call at POS Nation to learn a little bit more about this software and how it can uniquely fit your business needs.